Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazingwomensworld. In this video I have come up with making of this beautiful coin with Kundans and Zardosi work designing, also called as Kasu Maggam work designing. It's the latest trending pattern of the coin designings. Hope you like it. अब आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी में देख सकते हैं। चैनल का लिंक आपके सामने है। चैनल का डिटेल्स नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे भी अवेलेबल है। क्लिक कीजिए अमेजिंग एबीसी फैशंस चैनल को और देखते रहिए लेटेस्ट फैशंस और ट्रेंडी वीडियोस को। सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। आई एम यूजिंग दिस बिट कॉइन्स of Lakshmi Rupu. These all materials will be easily available in fancy or tailoring material shop. Also using two different sizes of gold beads and also the pearls. Using the fabric glue to stick the kundans, and this is the normal cotton thread with the thin needle used for the hemming. So now I will apply the glue in the pattern of the rangoli, like placing the dots in between like this. I'll stick these coins. Now I'll stitch these coins. Like you can clearly see the hole on the top of the coin. There I'll give the stitch. I'll be using the golden beads to stitch all around these coins. Of nearly 9 beads I'll be stitching here. If you know the Aari work, you can use the Aari needle, but I want to make you comfortable to stitch with the normal stitching needle also, so I am showing with the normal stitching needle, so that those who don't know the Aari work also, they can also work with the normal stitching needle like the professional. Really friends, this type of handmade works is really expensive in the markets, wherein you can easily make at home with the simple things. So now I'd be stitching 9 beads around this coin. Now to give the hanging look, I'd be using the small gold I'd be using gold and pearl beads. These are very small, you can see here. I'll be dropping three of the beads here. So leaving it at the top, remaining 2 I'll get back in the same hole, holding it like this, so that we'll get the hanging look here and it will not come out. I think this is clear to know. Dropping gold bead next to that pearl, again the gold bead, but getting back through the pearl and also the gold bead in the same hole. This is how we have to make these tiny hangings. Finally, I'll use these circle shaped kundans, applying the glue to stick, like on the top of the cone, with the 3 dots followed with the down 1 dot. Now I'll stick these kundans. I'd be using this 0 size zardosi of gold color, which I've trimmed accordingly the size of the kundan. Now I'll stitch this with the normal stitching needle. I'll insert the zardosi string in the needle and get back to the same hole, again giving the couple of stitches to secure and giving the perfect shape of the circle. This is clearly visible to you, I think so. This way we have to highlight the kundans with the zardosi. This beautiful design you can try for the saree blouses, crop tops, anarkali suits as the motifs in the center of the saree, or designing for the dupattas. And the step of patterns will not take much time, so try it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazingwomensworld channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Till then, see you all. Bye for now.